Hey fam, welcome back to another interesting video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. All right, I really and I so much appreciate. Okay, so I want to cook now. This is cook with me video. I want to cook and I say, okay, let me carry you guys along because it's been long I picked my camera. Guys, a lot of things have been happening. Like, I've been crying to God. I've been praying to God that his will be done in our life. For this December came with a lot. I put everything in God's hands, and I know that one day I'm going to come back here to share the testimony. And I'm also encouraging you guys out there, in any situation you find yourself, just keep worshiping and thanking God, because him alone can make every impossibility in our life to be possible. I just want you guys to put me in your prayers, pray for my family, and for every one of you coming back to watch my video, even when you are not seeing me in your houses. God bless you, and may God continue to show you support and send support to you. Okay. So this is the meat we bought for my baby girl's birthday. So this is the meat. I want to wash it, but the truth is that I know that you guys will be waiting for Oma's birthday celebration. Hence, that is why I'm saying this. There will be no more birthday stuff for my baby girl. It is well. I know you guys will be expecting birthday vlog, birthday stuff and all of that. It won't be happening anymore. And it's well. Okay? It's well. It's well. Sometimes you plan your life how it will go, and then you just see that all the plan, nothing. Like, life will just carry you to another dimension, where this 2023, we are in December already. It will take all our pain, all our cries, all our pain, all our troubles, all our challenges. It will take them away. And as we march into 2024, there will be a new beginning. There will be a new beginning. There will be a new beginning. Open door, breakthrough, favor. That's what I pray. It's challenging now, but I know that this, as we enter new year, what God is planning for I and my family, in fact, I can't even imagine it. That is what I'm just giving myself positive, mindset that 2024 will be better for I and my family. So there will no more birthday for my baby girl celebration. So don't even wait for any birthday vlog. Okay, so that is it. I'm just going to wash the meat. Okay, I'm going to wash them. I'm not even a fan of cow leg. I don't even know. So this one here is shaki. I will wash it, take some and cook pepper soup and bitter leaf soup I want to prepare now. And I have one chicken here. I will also divide it, use some to cook pepper soup and some for bitter leaf soup now. The bitter leaf is boiling here. So that is what I want to do now. I want to cook. This is cook with me. And yeah, it's like my baby girl is sleeping. Mama, are you sleeping? I've not eaten since morning. I don't even have mouth to eat, Seth. I've not eaten since morning. So let us cook. Let us cook. I leave everything pending. I want to eat. I'm feeling headache. I've not eaten since morning. The time is some minutes past 4. So I'm feeling dizzy and tired. Let me eat and rest. Then I will continue the cooking. Okay. Hi.
Nami bwebe surrendemo Ebenda beremo Abogi bonu ne kuremo Chineke moni bweziogo Ni boromiye nine Lord, I declare my love for you. You are all that I am. Iboli lanya mesen, Jesus iboli lanya mo. Ebenda beremo, akwagi bonu ne kurumo. Chineke moni pwesioku, ni boromiye nine. Lord, I declare my love for you. You are all that I am. Iboli lanya mesen, iboli lanya mesen, iboli lanya mo daddy esen, iboli lanya mo. Lord, I declare my love for you. You are all that I am.
Hey fam, welcome back. All right, so right now the meat is cooking. I'll be using one for pepper soup and this one is for bitter leaf soup. Okay, and this one is for pepper soup. Okay, and it's already, this is almost 7. It's almost 7 in the evening. My baby girl is sleeping, and yeah, if you're still watching up until this moment, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Makaniga like. I'm having serious headache. I went to lie down before, but I have to come and cook this food because if you dey house food no there, it go tire you. So this pepper soup and this soup now, it will serve us. And Oma dey sleep. If she wake up, I'm going to bathe her. So this remaining meat now, I'm going to package it and put in the fridge. I'm going to package it and put in the freezer. All right, yeah. So that is it. I want to go and shower. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys later. Okay? Hey, God. See you guys later. Oh God, fam, I hope you guys can see me. Food is almost ready. I want to add the egg. And I'm going to add it like that. I want to add the thickener, and I'm going to pour it inside like that too. You're welcome. And I want to add the bitter leaf. The bitter leaf is very strong. I want to add it now. I just added the egg. I will add the bitter leaf now. So let me bring close this camera.
Righteous will move by the power of the Lord. Onye chigozeli, onye chigozeli, onye chigozeli. Who God is blessed, no man can curse. chigozili, who God is blessed, no man can curse. Onye chigozili, onye chigozili, onye chigozili, who God is blessed, no man can curse. Onye chigozili, onye chigozili, onye chigozili, who God is blessed, no man can curse.
I'm done cooking. Here is my bitter leaf soup. Oh my goodness, the camera is not that clear. Oh. So my bitter leaf, as in bitter leaf. Oh my god. My bitter leaf soup is ready. Oh, done and dusted. Oh, this soup tastes so good. Tastes so nice. And I don't want plenty bitter leaf inside. Like, I just want it like this. I love it this way. Tastes so good. Bring your plate, oh. And my pepper soup is still cooking here, though it's ready. I just have to turn off the light. So everything is ready. And my mama is there. Mama, say hi. Hi, mama. Hi, baby. I'm done cooking, and I'm just going to tidy up the plates that are there. I will tidy it up, and then I've not showered Oma. I will still bathe her, and then I will bathe mine, and then that is it, guys. Esther, stop it. So I'm done cooking. I will ending this video here. Thank you so much if you watched up until this moment, and please don't forget, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Makanega like here. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Bye.
Bye, mama.
Bye.
Bye, mama.